How to fix brightness on iPhone running iOS 18. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then, once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Display and Brightness option available there. Once in there, drag the brightness slider to increase or decrease the brightness. Or you can also swipe down from the top right in the control center and move the brightness bar up or down. Now, once done so, all you have to do is turn off the night shift. Make sure you are inside the display in brightness. Then scroll down and tap on the night shift. Night shift can make the screen look dim or yellowish, so turn off any schedule and manual enabling. Also make sure to turn off the True Tone because True Tone adjusts the display based on ambient lighting. Turn off the True Tone as well. Now go back and tap on the General option available in your settings. Then tap on the Software Update. Then update your software to the latest version. Once you update the software, then all you have to do is simply try restarting your iPhone. Temporary glitches can be fixed with a simple restart. Hold the power plus volume up or down and you will get to see slide to power off option available on your screen. Now slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Lastly, go back to the general and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.